Hey guys, tonight we're going to do a blind 2 Knob Creek single barrels. We've got a Knob Creek single barrel 9-year reserve at 120 proof. The other one is a Knob Creek store pick at 125.1 proof. Got them set up in my solo blind. They're all mixed up. Color's really similar on both of them. Do the nose here. Got a nice sweet nose. Little honey. Some citrus. This nose is a little more vanilla. A little softer nose. Went for a taste. Got a little bit of oak right up front. It's sweet, mild finish. Maybe even a drop of leather on that. Let me take a little water. Wow, these are close. Definitely picking up the vanilla. This one's got a little bit more bite. Maybe this is the slightly higher proof one. They're both really, really good. And they both really have a nice finish. Really nice legs. This one's not quite as leggy, but it is still got some legs. I'm gonna go back in again. This one's definitely a little softer. Really close. This one, if anything, has that little bit more bite and a tad, maybe a tiny little bitter note at the end. Do a little water and see what happens. Very close. I would say by a little bit, this one here. Let's see what we got. Knob Creek single barrel. There's the store pick. Both really good. Can't complain about either one. But the regular single barrel is the winner here. It's the standard 9-year single barrel reserve. Not a bad blind. Again, both of these are good. They both were right around $60 to $69, so definitely worth the value, worth the money.